Alright, students, so far in these videos we've seen that the derivative is the slope of the tangent line. And slope is a rate of change. Why that's important is this graph is not constant. It's curving, okay? So it's constantly increasing along here as you go from left to right. It's going up and up and up and up and up, but it's not going up at the same rate, okay? Why is that important? Well, I didn't put any any labels on the x and y axis here. This could be, so let's talk about that. This could be time and this could be money. So you might, at this time, you might have no money, and after a week, you jumped from here to here. So from there to there might be, let's say, the difference between driving a Toyota Camry and driving a Ferrari. Okay, this could be like a $200,000 jump from here, from 50,000 to 200,000, depending on how we scale our axis here. Okay, so during that period of time, you saw a huge jump. In terms of the tangent line, we say the tangent line has a high slope, a big slope. Going rise, again, slope is rise and run. So the change, here's a big change over a short amount of time. This, again, we didn't label this time. This could be like 1 week, this could be 1 day, this could be 1 month. But your money went from here to here. Okay. Now, instead of being money or time and money, this could be time and happiness. So during this period of time, maybe there's a period of time in your life when from here to here, you went really high up. Again, time could be from years 5 to years 10. This might be from when you're 13 to when you're 18, might be some really happy times. Or things like level off here, okay? That's the whole concept. So depending on what two variables you're discussing, your change here is a certain amount over a certain amount of time. So time and money, time and happiness, which aren't the same things. Money is not happiness. And or time, and this could be air pressure, time and velocity, or sorry, time and distance, so you give you velocity. You could have acceleration curves. You could have any kind of things that are changing over time. So when you're driving your car, you're usually not driving at a constant speed. If you're on the freeway, yes, but for to and from school, you have to stop at stoplights, things like that, so your speed is changing. Okay, so that's all these times when we see this. Okay, so how's that different then? Well, for this, you jumped a lot, but this one might be the difference between going from a nice car to a really nice car. But basically, or what it would mean is like from this one, it went from like a Toyota Camry all the way up to a Ferrari. That's a big jump. This might just be from a Lamborghini to a Lamborghini with more features. Okay, that sort of thing. All right, so that's the idea. Over the same amount of time, you rise and you run. Well, this one you didn't rise much, but you ran more, so you didn't have as much of an increase in your money, as much of an increase in your happiness, as much of an increase in your speed, whatever it is, that's your rate. Big increase means a lot of change, big slope. All right. So a big slope means a big change. That's the idea. Small slope, small change. Okay, so not much is changing over time here. Okay, so that might be